Hello guys. Today we gonna talk about Nintendo Switch. First of all, subscribe Poseidon YouTube channel. Okay, let's start. The Nintendo Switch is a video game console developed by Nintendo. It is a hybrid console that can be used as a home console and portable device. Its wireless Joy-Con controllers, with standard buttons and directional analog sticks for user input, motion sensing, and tactile feedback, can attach to both sides of the console to support handheld-style play. The Nintendo Switch's software supports online gaming through internet connectivity, as well as local wireless ad hoc connectivity with other consoles. Nintendo Switch games and software are available on both physical flash-based ROM cartridges and digital distribution via Nintendo eShop. The system has no region lockout. The Switch was officially released on March 3, 2017, worldwide, notably in all key markets, but excluding some parts of Asia, including India and mainland China. Okay. That is a summary. Now let's go step by step. Let's talk about hardware. The Nintendo Switch is a hybrid video game console consisting of a console unit, a dock, and two Joy-Con controllers. Although it is a hybrid console, Nintendo classifies it as a home console that you can take with you on the go. Number 1. Console. The main unit of the Switch is the console, a battery-powered tablet-like monitor that consists of an LCD screen measuring 6.2 inches, 160 mm, on its diagonal, the same as the Wii U gamepad. The LCD screen supports resolutions up to 720p. The console includes a 3.5mm audio jack, stereo speakers on the bottom face of the unit below the screen, a USB-C port for charging, and a kickstand on the backside. The unit also includes slots for a game card and a microSD card slot located under the kickstand. The Switch console itself includes 3 buttons, all on the top of the device: volume plus and power. The console has rails on the side, into which the Joy-Con controllers can be slid to attach them to the Switch unit. An ambient light sensor on the front of the console adjusts the screen's brightness automatically. There are 3 gamma play modes that can be used with the Switch: TV mode with the console slid into the dock to support play on a television, tabletop mode with the console placed on a table or other flat surface using its kickstand for shared gaming away from a dedicated screen, or in handheld mode as a standard portable tablet device. Users can switch between these modes simply by placing the console in the dock or removing it, extending or retracting the kickstand, and detaching or connecting the Joy-Con. Number 2. Dock. The console, with or without Joy-Con attached, can be placed into the Switch dock, a docking station with electrical connectors to connect the console to a power supply to charge its battery, and to a television via an HDMI connection for video audio output. The dock also includes 2 USB 2.0 ports and 1 USB 3.0 port. While docked, the unit can support resolutions up to 1080p, though the maximum resolution varies depending on the game. Number 3. Joy-Con. The Nintendo Switch comes with 2 controllers collectively called Joy-Con, individually called the Joy-Con L and Joy-Con R. The controllers attach to the Switch console via side rails using a locking mechanism, with a small release button on their rear face to allow them to be detached. When detached, they can be used as a pair by a single player, attached to a grip that emulates a gamepad form factor, or used as separate controllers by 2 individual players. A single Switch console can support up to 8 Joy-Con connections. Straps can be attached to the sides of Joy-Con when they are detached. A charging grip is available for the Joy-Con, which provides a means to attach a USB-C cable for. Number 4. Pro Controller. The Switch also supports a wireless controller called Nintendo Switch Pro Controller, which has a more traditional design reminiscent of the Wii Classic Controller Pro and Wii U Pro Controller. The Pro Controller connects to the Switch via wireless Bluetooth communication and is charged through a standard USB-C port on the controller. Number 5. Nintendo Switch Lite. A handheld-focused revision of the system, called the Nintendo Switch Lite, was released on September 20, 2019. Switch Lite is a single unit, integrating the Joy-Con as part of the main unit's hardware, and uses a smaller screen measuring 5.5 inches diagonally. Number 6. Games. Games for the Nintendo Switch can be obtained through either retail channels or digitally through the Nintendo eShop. Games distributed at retail are stored on proprietary cartridges, similar in design to the game cards used for Nintendo 3DS games, albeit smaller and thinner. Okay guys. Now you know about Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching. Please share this video with your friends who willing to know about Nintendo. Don't forget to subscribe Poseidon YouTube channel. There are more videos waiting for you. See you in next video.